Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Quickmill Silvano Evo espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the PIV, this one that you see right here, and that's it, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out, then we're going to be using the steamer on the right hand side. Gonna stop it right there. We got a little bit of crema and a little bit of pressure. I probably had to use a finer grind. Also, we're using our test coffee, which is a bit old, but we still got nice crema coming out through the porta filter. Previously, this PIV was not heating up the boiler, and as you can see, boiler is hot and ready to brew. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer. Takes a bit as the steamer was completely off while I was testing this machine, but once this thermoblock heats up to a certain temperature, we're going to be seeing steam coming out through the one. In the meantime, I can clean the one as it's heating up. There you go. Now that the thermoblock is starting to heat up, we're seeing some steam coming out through the one, and as it continues to heat up, we're going to see an increase of pressure of steam as the thermoblock heats up. You can see steamer heating up properly. Turn up the pressure, well, now steam, and pressure, great temperature, that's nice and tender. So there you have it, Quickmill Silvano Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.